In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the estimated time in Jira. This is an essential skill for effective project management, especially when you want to keep track of work progress and ensure timely delivery of your tasks. Whether you're a team lead, project manager, or developer, staying on top of this can make a significant difference in your team's productivity. Now let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open the issue that you want to update. This could be a task, a story, a bug, or any other type of issue in Jira. Once you've found the issue, simply click on it to view its details. This allows you to access various fields and functions related to that specific issue. Now look for the time tracking section. This part is crucial because it's where all the magic happens regarding time estimation and tracking. You'll usually find this section in the details panel or sidebar of the issue screen, depending on how your Jira is configured. Once you're in the time tracking section, the next step is to locate the field next to original estimate. This field is your gateway to updating the estimated time. Click on it to make it active, indicating that you're ready to input new information. With the field now active, go ahead and enter the estimated time for the issue. You can enter this in different time formats such as hours, H, days, D or minutes, M. For example, you might input 4H for 4 hours, 1D for 1 day, or 30 members for 30 minutes. Be precise with your estimates to maintain accuracy across your project timelines. After entering the estimated time, it's essential to save your changes. Look for the check button typically found next to the field you just edited. Click on this button to ensure your new estimate is recorded in the system. Failing to save might result in the loss of data you just inputted, which could affect project planning. Moving forward to log actual work done, you'll need to click on the time tracking field once more. This is slightly different from entering estimates because it involves recording time that has already been spent on the issue. Within this field, enter the time you've spent working. As you input this data, you'll notice that the time remaining field automatically updates. This dynamic feature offers a real-time look at how much time is left compared to the original estimate. It's a handy way to keep everyone on the same page regarding progress and deadlines. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing and updating time estimates in Jira. It helps not only in maintaining project transparency, but also in optimizing resource allocation. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.